How to Own the World. A Plain English Guide to Thinking Globally and Investing Wisely, written by Andrew Craig, summarized by audiobooks you love. Imagine if you could invest in the world's most successful companies, tap into opportunities on every continent, and build a portfolio that thrives across industries and countries. What if you could use your money not just to survive, but to own the world? In How to Own the World, Andrew Craig and Sir Roger Gifford lay out a blueprint for anyone looking to make their money work on a global scale. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started with investing, or a more seasoned investor looking to think more strategically, this book breaks down complex financial concepts into easy-to-understand, actionable steps. Through a clear, no-nonsense approach, the authors show how you can think globally about investments, diversify your portfolio across different markets and sectors, and build wealth in a way that's both smart and sustainable. But here's the catch. It's not just about making money. It's about owning a piece of the global economy. So, if you've ever wondered how to expand your wealth beyond local opportunities and start thinking on a global scale, stick around. Over the next 30 minutes, I'll take you through the key ideas from How to Own the World and explain how they can help you navigate the world of investing and grow your financial future in a way that most people never even consider. Let's dive in. The importance of thinking globally. Craig and Gifford start by addressing a fundamental truth. The world is interconnected. In today's financial climate, success doesn't just come from playing it safe in your local economy or within the borders of your home country. Globalization has made it possible, and in many cases necessary, to think globally when it comes to investing. The first major theme in the book is about understanding how the world works. Craig and Gifford explain that wealth is being created all over the world, from technology giants in the United States to manufacturing powerhouses in China, to fast-growing economies in India. The world offers a huge array of opportunities. The trick is not to limit yourself to one market or sector, but to diversify across the global economy. But before we get to that, they emphasize the importance of understanding the global economic system. Global wealth is being shaped by major trends, including the rise of technology, global trade, shifting demographics, and the increasing power of emerging markets. For example, the rise of the internet has created massive wealth in the tech sector, while growing middle classes in countries like China and India are creating huge opportunities in consumer goods, infrastructure, and services. Understanding these global dynamics is crucial because, as Craig and Gifford point out, the most successful investors are those who are attuned to the global forces shaping our world and who adjust their investment strategies accordingly. Investing wisely, the key principles. So, how do you take advantage of the global opportunities around you? The authors break down the key principles of wise investing. First and foremost, they emphasize the importance of diversification. Diversification is a strategy that reduces risk by spreading investments across various sectors, asset classes, and regions. Instead of putting all your money into one industry or market, you spread it out, so if one area suffers, you're protected by the performance of others. But diversification alone isn't enough. You need to understand what you're investing in. Investing wisely means not just blindly throwing your money into different asset classes, but doing it in a way that maximizes your long-term returns while minimizing unnecessary risks. One of the best ways to do this is through low-cost index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These funds track a broad market index, like the S&P 500, and allow you to buy shares in a wide array of companies across many industries and regions. Craig and Gifford recommend these as the core of any portfolio, especially for beginners. The idea behind investing in index funds and ETFs is that you're buying into the global economy at large. When you invest in an index fund that tracks the global market, you're essentially owning a slice of every company that is driving the global economy, from multinational corporations to up-and-coming startups. The authors stress the importance of taking a long-term perspective. Investment markets are volatile in the short term, but over the long term, the trend has been upward. Instead of trying to time the market or chasing short-term trends, they recommend a buy-and-hold strategy. This approach involves buying good, solid investments and holding them for a long period, allowing your money to grow steadily as the global economy continues to expand. The power of asset allocation. Another key concept in how to own the world is asset allocation, deciding how to distribute your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, commodities, and real estate. Craig and Gifford argue that asset allocation is one of the most important decisions you'll make as an investor, as it determines the risk and return profile of your portfolio. The authors explain that stocks are typically the most volatile, but also the most rewarding in the long term. Bonds, on the other hand, provide more stability, but with lower returns. Commodities like gold, oil, or agricultural products can act as a hedge against inflation, while real estate offers income and potential for capital growth. By allocating a portion of your investments to each of these asset classes, you can balance the potential for higher returns with a degree of protection from volatility. A key point Craig and Gifford make is that there is no one-size-fits-all solution. Your asset allocation should be tailored to your individual financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. If you're young and have decades until retirement, you might choose a portfolio weighted more heavily towards stocks. If you're closer to retirement, you may want a larger portion in safer assets like bonds and cash. They also highlight the need to reassess your asset allocation periodically. As you move through different life stages, your goals and risk tolerance will change, and so should your portfolio. This is a critical component of making sure that your investments continue to align with your financial situation. Global trends to watch, opportunities for growth. As you develop your investment strategy, the next step is to look at the global trends that are likely to drive future wealth creation. Craig and Gifford identify several key themes that are shaping the future of the global economy. One of the biggest trends they point out is the rise of emerging markets. While much of the world's wealth has been concentrated in developed markets, like the US and Europe, there are huge opportunities in countries with fast-growing economies, particularly in Asia and Africa. Emerging markets have been growing at a much faster pace than developed markets and offer the potential for higher returns. Another major trend is the digital revolution. The rapid expansion of the internet, mobile technology, artificial intelligence, and e-commerce has transformed the way we live, work, and do business. Craig and Gifford emphasize the importance of investing in technology stocks and companies that are at the forefront of this revolution, as well as industries like clean energy and healthcare that are expected to grow significantly over the next several decades. Demographic shifts are another key global trend. The aging populations in developed nations, combined with the growing middle class in emerging markets, are creating new consumer demands and investment opportunities. Companies that cater to these demographic shifts are likely to see substantial growth in the coming years. How to own the world. A global portfolio strategy. So, how do you practically implement these principles? Craig and Gifford lay out a strategy for building a global portfolio that incorporates diversification, asset allocation, and exposure to the key global trends they outlined. They encourage investors to think beyond the stock market of their home country and take a global perspective when choosing investments. One of their strategies is to invest in global index funds and ETFs, which provide a low-cost, diversified way to gain exposure to global markets. They also recommend considering real estate and commodities, as well as looking at emerging markets for higher growth potential. Another strategy they highlight is the importance of dividing your portfolio into core and satellite components. The core of your portfolio should be made up of stable, low-cost investments like global index funds, while the satellite portion can be allocated to higher risk, higher reward investments, such as emerging markets, small-cap stocks, or sectors that are likely to experience rapid growth. Mindset for financial success. At the heart of How to Own the World is the idea that successful investing isn't just about picking the right stocks. It's also about having the right mindset. Craig and Gifford emphasize that anyone can learn to invest, but it requires patience, discipline, and a long-term view. It's easy to get caught up in short-term fluctuations or media noise, but the most successful investors stay focused on their long-term goals and remain calm in the face of volatility. They also stress the importance of financial education. The more you understand about how the world works and how markets behave, the better decisions you can make as an investor. Education doesn't mean you need to become a financial expert, but it does mean being curious, reading widely, and continuously learning. Conclusion. How to Own the World is a powerful guide to thinking and investing globally. It's a blueprint for building wealth that transcends borders, offering practical steps and strategies for creating a diversified, robust investment portfolio. Whether you're just starting or have been investing for years, this book provides valuable insights that can help you make smarter, more informed decisions with your money. If you enjoyed this summary and want to learn more about how to take control of your financial future, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you're ready to dive deeper into the world of investing, consider picking up a copy of How to Own the World. It's packed with more detailed strategies and tips to help you achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.